At this point, you've migrated the database and copied over files from your Umbraco 7 project to your Umbraco 8 project, which is now running without any errors on the front end. So far, all this has been done locally. My name is Sophie, and in this final video, we're going to push our migrated site back to the Umbraco Cloud environment. All set? Let's go! First, let's have a look at the Umbraco 8 site. I have it running here on my local machine. As you can see, all my content is here, and if you go into settings, I have all my document types here, templates, etc. And if we look at the front end up here, you can see that we are all ready to go. So I'll start by staging and committing all the changes through Git here. And we'll give it a message saying migrate 7 to 8. There we go. Commit the files and push to cloud. This might take some time depending on how big the site is, so I'll just go ahead and fast forward this part. There we go. Everything has now been pushed to the development environment on my Umbraco 8 project. So let's head over to the Umbraco Cloud portal and check it out. As you can see, there are some new changes here. Schema changes, design changes, code changes. That looks all right. Let's start with the back office. All right, so let's log in. So our content won't be here, as this needs to be transferred from our local project first. But what we can see is here in settings, all of our document types should be here. They are. And templates as well. Yes, it looks like we have everything we need here. Awesome. So let's go back to our local project, which we have running up here, into the content section. And from here, we need to queue everything for transfer. So I'll just go ahead and do that here. Queue the content section for transfer, the media as well. And finally, I'll need to queue my forms for transfer. There we are. You can find a link to a more thorough video on content transfers in the description below. Now I'll click Send Changes to the development workspace. And this might take a little while depending on how much content you have to transfer. So I'll just fast forward this part. And there we go, transfer complete. Great, now let's head into the development back office again, up here, and hit reload. There we go. We now have all of our content on our development environment. Now, let's just check the front end here for a sec. And there we have it. Our Umbraco 7 project has now been migrated successfully into a new Umbraco 8.1 project. Final steps would of course be to push all of this to the live environment, and then you would most likely also want to add your hostname, make redirects from the old Umbraco 7 site. I've put some links in the description on how to set that all up. And that was all. The migration is complete and your Umbraco site is now running Umbraco 8. Great job! Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.